I'm Sai Nagendra. I am from Kolkata. When I heard about myTectra, I was not sure about how it would go, how they will teach. But after coming here and taking the classes, I got to know that it was the best institute where I could learn the hardest of topics in the easiest of way. All thanks to Santosh who helped us understand the hardest of topics in the easiest of way, which we will keep in our minds or we will remember it for our life and we can never forget that. And all thanks to myTectra.